Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 17 from the chapter of motion in a straight line. The topic is the time taken to cross a river, and based on this topic I have one question for this session which is written here on this board. So the question here is: a man wishes to cross a river which is 1 kilometer wide. The velocity of the man in the still water is 10 meters per second. The velocity of the river which is flowing from west to east is equal to 5 meter per second. So the ratio of the shortest time to the time taken by him in crossing the river over the shortest distance is, so here we have four options and we have to find the correct one. Now this session is based on the session number 12 and the session number 14, in which we have derived the equation for the shortest time to cross the river by a man and the time taken by a man to cross a river over the shortest distance. So the time taken by a swimmer to cross the river over the shortest distance is equal to d divided by under root Vm square minus Vr square, and this is the formula which we have derived in the session number 12. And in the session number 14 we have derived the formula for the shortest time to cross the river. So that shortest time to cross the river taken by a man to cross a river is equal to d divided by the velocity of the man in the still water. So here Vm is the velocity of the man in the still water, Vr is the velocity of the river. So in this case the time taken to cross the river over the shortest distance will be equal to, now d is the width of the river. Now here the width of the river is 1 kilometer, so I will be converting it into meters, so this is equal to 1000 divided by under root the velocity of the man in the still water is equal to 10 meter per second, so this will be equal to 100, and Vr is the velocity of the river, which is flowing from west to east direction, so which is equal to 5 meter per second, so this will be Vr square will be equal to 25. So Vm square minus Vr square under root will be equal to under root 75. Now the shortest time to cross the river by this man will be equal to, d is the width of the river which is equal to 1000, and this is in seconds, and Vm is 10, so this will be equal to 100 seconds. So the shortest time to cross the river by this man will be equal to 100 seconds, and the time taken to cross the river by this man over the shortest distance will be equal to 1000 divided by root 75 seconds. So the required ratio will be equal to, we have to find the ratio of the shortest time to the time taken by the man or by the swimmer in crossing the river over the shortest distance. So this will be equal to the shortest time to cross the river is 100 seconds, 100 divided by the time taken by the swimmer to cross the river over the shortest distance, which is equal to 1000 upon root 75. So 1000 upon 75, now this root 75 will go into the numerator. So this is equal to root 75 upon 10. Now root 75 can further be written as, it means this can be written as 25 into root 3. So this will be 5 root 3. Uh, 5 root 3 divided by 10. So this is equal to root 3 by 2. So the ratio of the shortest time taken by this man to cross the river and the time taken by him to cross the river over the shortest distance will be equal to root 3 by 2. So the correct option here is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of question from the same topic of the relative velocity. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.